Get our 5 off 25 going for a Thursday. That means this runs from Monday through Friday all the way through Saturday. 5 off of 25. Let's get it going now. You're going to pick up one Purex at $10. It's a $2 coupon. You're going to pick this Crest toothpaste. How many ounces is it? It is 2.3 ounces off the dollar. I'll make sure it has this yellow mark on it because this is completely free with the coupon. You're going to pick up 2 Dawn Power Washes, the refill at $4. It's a $4 off coupon. 1 Febreze fabric wash at spray at $3.25. It is a $2 coupon. 1 Febreze plug at $3.30. It is a $3.30 coupon. And you're going to pick up this one little scope, 36 milliliters or 1.2 ounces at $1. It is a $1 coupon. Now, as a disclaimer, anything that's completely free, they might charge you taxes on. So 1, 2, 3 things that they might charge, whatever your state taxes is. Mine is 9%. Let's look at it. Okay, first, this is what we're working on right here. The 5 off of 25, 5 days only, September 1st through the 5th. And then if you want to, you can wait until Saturday and you can use the one for Saturday. Let me see. Okay, so we're going to scan our Purex. It's at $10. And you have a $2 off coupon, but you actually have 3, okay? These 2 coupons will stack because it's a manufacturer and a Dollar General. This coupon and this coupon will not stack, okay? Now, let's scan the toothpaste. It's at $1, and the $1 coupon is attaching, okay? Now, let's scan the mouthwash for you. And that is at $1, and the $1 coupon is attaching. Then we're going to scan the Dawn Power Wash, the refill is at $4, and the $4 coupon is attaching. Then we're going to scan the Febreze fabric at $3.25, and the $2 coupon is attaching. Then we're going to scan the Febreze warmer at $3.30, and the $3.30 coupon is attaching. So all of our coupons are Dollar General, are manufactured coupons, so we do not have to worry about anything. So let's go. $10 for the Purex, $1 for the toothpaste, $1 for the mouthwash, $4 for each Dawn Power Wash refill, $3.25 for the Febreze fabric spray, and $3.30 for the Febreze warmer. Leave you at $26.55. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 2 off the Purex, 1 off the mouthwash, 1 off the toothpaste, 4 off the Dawn, 2 off the Febreze fabric, and $3.30 off of the warm. Leave you at $8.25. Now let's take a good look at something and listen carefully. This is $10. This is $10 by itself. This whole deal that I just showed you was $8.25. Okay, now we're going to get even lower. That divide that by how many products? By 7 products, and you are paying $1.17. If you don't get nothing outside of this, this is $1.17. I don't care what nobody say. This is an awesome deal. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, along with that deal, if you want to, you can do the Persil instead of the Purex because they are sharing a coupon today. They're sharing a coupon this week. Let me show you. Okay, that's $9.95, and here it is. $2 off coupon, Purex or Persil. Now, you can do a 5 off of spend 15, save 5. Now, you could do that. Or if you don't have this $2 coupon and you have that earn $2, then you can earn $2 off just the Persil, not the Purex, okay? Just the Persil. Okay, we're going to do this deal, guys, but we're not going to include any of those trial freebies because what if they stop working, okay? We're going to grab 2 of these Airwick essential oils at $6.25. They are buy one, get one free. 1 Febreze fabric, $3.25, $2 coupon. 1 Febreze plug, $3.30, $3.30 coupon. And 2 of the Axe body deodorants at $5.75, or you might find the one at $5.95 because everyone is grabbing those ones for $5.75. So we're going to scan these 2 items and this one because those are the ones we didn't look at, or I think we did. So let's go. This is an awesome Febreze and Airwick deal though. Okay, So let me get to it, guys. Okay, now we're gonna scan the Airwick. The Airwick is $6.25 and it's BOGO, buy one get one free. Then the Febreze right here is $3.25. It's a $2 coupon. Then we're gonna do the Axe at $5.75. It is a $7 coupon. And then this is your freebie at $3.30, 25 cents. Not that. Let me get this. I can't aim. Hold it. $3.30, and it's a $3.30 coupon. So let's do the math. We're going $6.25 plus $6.25 plus $3.25 plus $3.30 plus $5.75 plus $5.75. Whoa, we are up to $30.55. You want to take your 5 off 25, take your 7 off your Axe, take your 2 off your Febreze, take your $3.30 off of your warmer, and take your $6.25 off your Airwick. Leave you at $7. I'll divide that by 6. You're paying $1.16. This is $1.16, guys. You didn't even get this on the clearance day, so that's awesome right there. Now, things you can incorporate into your deals, even if you do not have the money. You can pick up a Swiffer 10 count at $6.50. And do you guys see the price increase? These were $5.50. They went up by $1. But the crazy thing is that these did not go up. These didn't go up, but these with the gain went up by $1. Okay, you can do the trash bags 2 for $10.50 here. And that trash bag has a spend 15 save 5, or they 2 for $10.50. Now remember, you do not have a coupon, so find your highest price free item and use it. Okay. Now you also can incorporate food. You can do one. The Skippy is $3 or $2 with the coupon. The Jif is 2 for $8. Don't forget, you can incorporate any of these items right here. 4-day sale. That ended on the 1st, but it's still things that's buy one get one 50% off, and all of the 4th of July items are 50% off. I want to show you deals you can incorporate, guys, like any of the silver pans right here. Buy one get one 50% off. Lasts until the 6th. Ooh, look at all that's going on clearance, guys. Again, that's going to go on clearance. I don't know when, but it is going to go on clearance, okay? Oh, and they replenished back up the Lipton right here. Buy 2, get 1 free. Another freebie, guys. So don't forget to incorporate those in. All right, guys, that's it for Ivy's coupon count for today. Be looking out for a 5 off 25 on Friday, our regular one. Bye.